And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside. It's about -6, -7 degrees Celsius. This is a typical day since the new year. I haven't been able to get out flying drones. I said, the heck with it. We're going to try something today. We're going to 2 drones up today. The Fimi Mini 3 SE and the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal unit. Okay? Currently, they're probably 2 of the better choices for a sub 250 gram drone. Okay? Let's get it up. Let's see what happens. It's on the pad. I'm right here. Let's go. Okay. There we go. And it's down. Let's bring it down a little bit. Handles very well. Very well. Look at that, eh? Okay, let's start that video. There we go. Start the video. 2.7K, 30 frames per second. And we're going to get it out and about. Let's go. Okay, this little trip around here. Okay, trip around. It's pretty good. Flies really well. There we go. Come on back. Here we go. I'm going to take it up and go a little higher here. Okay, up we go. There we go. We're up about 15, 16 meters. There we go. We've got the 1x zoom. And we can slide it up and down. 1x zoom. That's the zoom. Oh, there we go. And we can point that camera down a bit. There we go. That's the zoom. We can go back out on the zoom. Boom, back out. There we go. Any higher? Let's go up a little higher. And we can look around here. We're just not going to go too far. We're up about 39 meters or so. Let's go out a bit. And yeah, look at the lake. It's all frozen. I'd say it's freezing, but it's cold in the fingers a bit. It's -6, -7. I'll put the forecast up here. Have a look around. All this snow. Everything is covered in snow. And as we come back, I'll show you the house. How much snow is piled up and piled up. And then it's compressed. And then it's piled up and piled up, okay? Okay, let's come down again. There it is. And down we come. Flies really good even in this cold weather. Even with all this snow. No problem at all. Okay. Let's come forward. There we go. Okay, look at that snow. That's how much, and especially in that corner on the right there, that's how much snow we've got. Absolutely incredible. Okay, just going to bring it in and catch it. Okay, come this way. Come in. There it is. Okay. It stops the video already. Let's get the next one up, okay? And it's still snowing. Yes, here now we have the Potensic Atom 3X, okay? I call it the 3X. It's the one with the 3-axis gimbal. It's on the pad, as you can see. I've got skis on it, which I just strapped on. You saw a little video of that I did. Let's get this up and see how it compares to the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Let's go. Let's get this up here. Confirm. Here we go. There it goes, nice and slow. How does this compare to, let's start that video. There we go. Just going to travel it around a little bit. Here we go. Not as smooth as the Fimi, I will say, to handle. Not quite as easy on the sticks. You don't get that feeling coming back with it. Okay, there it is. Okay, coming back here. Just a little bit to get used to, but not the same feeling. Okay, a little bit more toyish, if you will. Okay, okay. Let's come back. Let's get it up and get some pictures over here. Okay, here we go. Up we go. It's up. We're going to go up to about that 1920 mark. Here we go. Then we can zoom in at some point. Okay, why can't we zoom? Where's my zoom? Well, we can go up and down on the camera. Oh, there's the zoom there. Here we go. Vroom. Here we go. There we are. Okay. There we can zoom in there. That's right. Okay, now I got it. Hard to see on here, but there's the zoom on it. Not too bad. Let's go back down. And down to 1. There we go. Okay. We've done that. Let's get up a little bit. We'll go up to that 49-ish. 39. We're getting there. 33 to 39-ish. There we go. Let's go over the lake a little bit. There we go. It's going pretty good. There we go. Tons of snow. Tons of snow. Does really good. Sounds louder than the Fimi though. Let's bring it back. Bring it back. How are we doing? Pretty good. Let's come back and have a look at the house here. Okay. Coming back. There it is. We're almost back to where we're supposed to be. There we are. And it's coming back. And we're going to drop it down. It's getting a little chilly. It's probably a little bit colder than it was before. There we go. And bring it down. There we go. Coming down. Let's have a look at the house to see if we can see all the snow here. Okay, and up with that a little bit. There we go. That's how much snow we've got here. It's absolutely incredible the amount of snow we have. Absolutely. Well, it's getting a little chilly, so let's bring it in and see if we can do the same landing that we did with the Fimi. There we go. Here we come. There we go. And we come down. Down we come. There we go. And it stops just like that. I have to stop the video on this one. Here we go. Let's close it all down. Let's have a conclusion. So there we have it. We've had the Fimi Mini 3 SE and the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal sub 250 gram drone up for a short little flight in the cold. It's now probably about -8 degrees. Some people say, oh, that's nothing. It's like, it's not even freezing. It's not 0 Fahrenheit or whatever. But when you're out in bare hands, it gets pretty cold pretty quick. Anything below 0. Really, really cold. But tons of snow. It's still coming down. It blows. It's blustery. How's the cameras? I'm sure the camera's a little fuzzy, not the best, but you get the idea. We've had tons of snow. And this is still coming down, and we're getting all weekend. We got another 30 centimeters coming. Okay? My snowblowers never had so much use. And thank goodness I've got a good one. Okay? So till next time, take care. Remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a hot chocolate, okay? And I'm sorry I haven't been putting out some videos, but the weather has just been like this or worse, or I've had to be doing snow shoveling, snow blowing, or whatever. But we're going to get back into it. Let's go on from here, okay? So till next time, take care. This was 2 of the most affordable, reasonably good sub 250 gram drones. Can't go wrong with either one of them. Maybe even the Walkera, what is it, T210 Mini SE, that might be a good one as well. Reasonably good, okay? But remember, next week, the Atom Potensic is coming out with the Atom 2. Okay, that's going to be interesting to look and to watch for. Okay, till next time, take care. Bye now.